Hi guys, welcome back to TOOCOOL from middle school and welcome to our little kitchen nook here in my apartment. It's summertime, and one of the things that I love about summer is that all those friends that I've been texting like, we need to get together, I finally have time to actually schedule a time to get together. And I love to have people over even if we don't have like a ton of space. I don't have a huge kitchen where I can make like fancy meals, but I think it's really fun to just do something like cute and special and just kind of creative. And so I got inspired this month actually by a subscription box. It's called Globein. They do monthly subscription boxes with fair trade products. So it's kind of like Cosbox or a Rise box. I have unboxing videos of those on my channel. And Globein saw some of those videos and they very generously sent me my own box. This isn't sponsored, but it is something that I just wanted to share with you guys because I thought it was a fun little like summer box, and it can kind of inspire you to just want to like be more hospitable and have people over. So I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box, and then at the end I do have a discount code so that you could access a little bit of this fair trade stuff a little bit more affordably, because I know for those of us trying to like make fair trade products a bigger part of our life, it's nice to start with a discount or something because it can be a little bit more expensive. But I have some really cool little kind of entertaining goodies to share with you today. And then they always send this little pamphlet that tells you more about the real people who actually made these products. And my husband and I were talking about this the other day, how like, you know, not very long ago, people used to grow a lot more of their own food and make a lot more of their own clothes and buy things from people they knew. And we're just so far removed from the things that we buy and wear and eat and everything today that I think it's really cool to have some kind of a connection to the actual human hands that made these things that we have in our houses. So I'm going to show you all of this stuff and then tell you a little bit about the person that made them. Okay, let's start with these because they are just so beautiful. These are such pretty iridescent glasses, or kind of like goblets, and they suggest using these for like a milkshake or an ice cream sundae, and I just think that's so cute, like to have a friend over and just, you know, spend a couple dollars just going out and buying a little bit of ice cream and then being able to serve it in these really cute iridescent glasses. I just want to invite somebody over right now and have a little ice cream party. So let me just tell you a little bit about how these were made. These are fair trade, of course. They are handmade in Mexico by a 21-year-old named David, and he currently assists a master glass blower and dreams of becoming a skilled master himself. So I just think it's really cool that by buying these, we're supporting a real person's dreams. And these are so cute. I mean, they're very like decorative. So just kind of placing these somewhere, they're gonna look really pretty. Maybe I could put like candles or something in them when I'm not using them. Gotta make sure Jensen doesn't get a hold of them because they're just too pretty. So then if you do decide to have like some milkshakes or an ice cream sundae, you can use these rose gold straws inside the glasses, and I just think these are so pretty. You get 2 of them. I have been trying to get away from using plastic straws so often. I'm just more aware of their impact on the environment. So it's really nice if you have your own that you can use and then wash and use again. And these are just so pretty. I love that they're kind of like coppery rose gold. And these are fair trade as well. They're handmade in India by a man named Delish. He supports his wife and children and is able to work from his personal shop at home. So these are like double duty. They're supporting a real family and reducing waste in the environment. So I love these. I'm gonna put them in my glasses. And then we get another item from Delish. He also made this really cool ice cream scoop. Like, I've never been this excited about an ice cream scoop. It also has that kind of coppery rose gold look. So this is super beautiful if you have people over, and I just think it makes it so fun when you have like these cute little details when you're throwing a party. You can just, you know, pretend I have some ice cream here. I don't even have any ice cream right now. I need to go buy some. What is wrong with me? Or maybe even like fruit parfaits or something, right? Like that's always really nice in the summer too. Put some berries in here or something. And this is another thing that's just like very decorative. So if you kind of like store this somewhere on your wall, it has a place where you could hang this on a hook. Like it just looks really nice in your kitchen. We don't have a lot of storage or a lot of room in our kitchen. So it's nice when I have things that are like functional and pretty, because I don't really have room for like decorations and cooking utensils. Like I kind of need them to do both. So all of this is definitely stuff that I can kind of display in my kitchen. The last two items are these really cute bowls. These are little ceramic bowls. They have little X's on the outside, and then, I mean, I was gonna say hashtags on the inside. Are these what? Tic-tac-toe boards, number sign, pound sign, hashtag, whatever you call it. Probably depends on the year that you were born. But when I think of them as hashtags, it's just like kind of funny to me. So I think these are super cute. They suggest that you could put like sprinkles or little ice cream toppings in here. I was also thinking these would be really nice like to store my necklaces in, or rings, or maybe even like our keys. Like I could put this up here and we could store our keys or little things in here so that they don't end up scattered all over the place like they always do. So these bowls are handmade in Morocco. So we've really got things from all over the world here. And these are made by an artisan who was trained in the traditional art of Moroccan ceramics, and now he's become one of the best painters in his city. This is the name of their company on the bottom. So it's so cool to just like have things from all around the world and know a little bit more about the people who made them. Oh, this even comes with a recipe for a strawberry balsamic goat's milk frozen yogurt. I don't know, does that sound good to you? That's not something I would typically try, but hey. Oh, okay. Pina colada ice cream. Okay, this is a little more up my alley. Which recipe would you try? Would you do the strawberry balsamic goat's milk or the pina colada ice cream? Let me know if you're brave in the comments below. So these all came in the Delish box. And if you sign up for a 3-month subscription, you can get 50% off the first box. And just use the code TOOCOOL. That's pretty easy to remember. So I was thinking that like all of this stuff is totally fun to receive for yourself, but these things would also make really good gifts. Wouldn't this be such a nice like wedding present, or maybe even like a graduation present for somebody who's about to move out on their own? Maybe even like a fun birthday present for a friend. So sometimes I just love getting these types of boxes because I know that I'm supporting artisans around the world, and then I'm receiving these fun things. And if it's something that I can't use at the moment, they often make really, really nice gifts. So check out these artisan boxes from Globein. Let me know what you think. I was looking at their Instagram page the other day too, and their Instagram is just like beautiful. I love following it. They do such a good job with their photography. They have a ton of Instagram followers. So go over to Instagram just for a little inspiration, and then use that discount code if you're interested in getting your own box. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I think I'm gonna go cut up some fruit and use my pretty little glass. And I need to text a friend to come over, right? I've got 2 of these. I have 2 of everything, so somebody needs to come over and hang out with me. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.